morning. It's a chilly April the 1st, and this isn't an April Fool's joke, by the way, but it is still cold this morning, and it gives us an ideal opportunity to see how this Land Rover starts if I've fixed that choke thing. Is it a choke or is it a cold start on this Isuzu engine? Now, I've done a few videos. I haven't put them together yet because I haven't had time, but you can see here I've got my exhaust on, and we'll see what it sounds like. Now, the other thing is that this engine's always been a bad starter. Once it's going, it's okay, but it's been a bad starter for some reason. Glow plugs are good. It's got a new battery on it because the old one was rubbish. What else? It's always smoked when it's cold. I don't know why. Oh, and I should say that about 6 years ago, about, well, I don't know, so many thousand kilometres ago, it had a new set of injectors in it, so it should be okay. So let's see what it starts like. Now I'll put it on the glow plugs, pull the choke out and see if it fires up, because normally I'd have to put the block heater in. No, there's no security. Right, here you go. So put the glow plugs on. I'll pull the choke out. Well, that's alright, isn't it? There we go. There's my exhaust. But like I said, it started a lot better. And you can hear the RPMs come up. But it always smokes when it's cold, and it's like diesel smoke, it's not oil. It's not bad for noise, is it? Considering it's only got one silencer on it. Should I rev it up for you? Go on. See what I mean about smoke? It's always done it and I can't work it out why. Yeah, I'll put my choke in and So, is that advancing the timing? Because you see it's almost stopped now. So I think it must be some sort of a device to enrich the diesel a little bit. I don't know. But I was kind of pleased that this sounds okay. Power? Could be better, but it's okay. But I'll just leave this for now. I just wanted to see what it started like when it was cold. But I'm pleased now. It does start. It's a lot better. The exhaust, like I said, I took it for a run yesterday. There's a few teething things I've got to do, but the turbo didn't fall, you know, the exhaust didn't fall off the turbo. I'll show you that on another video. It's been a nightmare to put that one together. But anyway, I hope you all have a happy Easter. I'm going to get warmed up now. See ya.